Hello, everybody. It's Cindy the Scrapologist. Thank you for coming back. Here's the Monday Color Palette Challenge. It's called Rose and Tan. Isn't it beautiful? Rose and Tan. Reminds me of a gorgeous wedding or something. These colors are definitely outside of my wheelhouse, not ones that I use a lot. So that's why I chose it because it's just beautiful. I went through a phase when I was really into, and I think a lot of people were really into chocolate and hot pink, kind of a bright pink. Um, that was back maybe about 10 years ago. It was really popular in interior design, and this sort of reminds me of it a little bit. But I haven't had a chance to really think about what I'm going to do yet, but I did pull out a big bin of leftover Graphic 45 Ladies Diary. Do you remember this collection? This is old, years old, but I might be able to do something with it. I have a lot of this still hanging around. I bought it. It looked really cool online, and then I fell out of love with it. And geez, I have almost an entire 12 by 12 paper pack. I have an 8 by 8. Is this 8 by 8? Yeah. Two 8 by 8s. I have chipboard. So it would be nice. This might really encourage me to start using some of this. I think I think that might be my plan. I'm not sure, but I haven't had time to look through my stash. I'm quite positive I have other tan elements. I'm not sure about pink. I'm sure I have some things, but I'm normally not a pink girl, so this is going to be really fun. And I have a pink shirt on today, too, so in honor of well, it's rose and tan, not pink, but. So anyway, that's all I have time for today. It's been I don't know why I chose to do this on Monday because that is my worst day in terms of just being right out straight from 5 in the morning right until bedtime. So, but I committed to it and I want to do it, and so that's all I have time for, but here it is. I hope you have fun with it. Oh, and by the way, if you're new to this color palette challenge, there's not any pressure with this. You aren't required to make a certain amount of projects or anything. This is more for you to learn how to use different color palettes, what goes nicely together. Some ladies are making color palette books so that they have idea books that they can flip through. And then we're going over to the Papercraft fan club and posting our projects. Any kind of paper craft project. So that's what this is all about. The links are all below. I hope you participate. Sometime during the week I'll show you what I made with the project. And I'm sorry to rush through it, but that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.